Modi government is lying to us. India has not become the fourth most equal country in the world. The government and the media is celebrating this based on World Bank data. But here's the truth behind this headline that no one's telling you. There are three reasons why this claim by the government is classic data misrepresentation. First of all, the World Bank never said that India has become the world's fourth most equal country. They simply released the inequality measure, the Gini index for India. Second, India measures inequality based on how much money people are spending, while most major countries measure it based on how much money people are earning. To claim that we are the fourth most equal, our government incorrectly compared India's consumption-based inequality index with other countries' income-based inequality, which is like comparing apples with oranges. When you measure inequality based on consumption, it's a fact that it will be underestimated. Because the rich save a large part of their income, this income never gets reflected in consumption, which is why they appear less rich than they actually are. Third, if we go the statistically correct way and compare only incomes, India is one of the most unequal countries in the world. Our rank is around 170 out of 216 countries and not the fourth. In a country where income inequality currently is worse than even during the British Raj, where the top 1% hold 40% of the nation's wealth, where 20 crore people go to sleep hungry every night, such misrepresentation of data by the government and the national media is not just irresponsible, it's also dangerous.